to enter Ghana. Even if you lost your passport and you have your ID card, you will still, you will still have chance to travel. Now, what you want, man? Me say no man, me buy here South Africa. South Africa system is the same like abroad, the same like UK and US. So this country they don't like travel all because of their system is working, and the people allows the system to work. Go every morning and go and see how they queue to pay tax. Omu make it queue. I go myself and pay my tax. The people in this country allow the system to work. Yet toll gate say, what do car do toll gate here? Yet from 50 rand going, 40 rand going, which is 150 cities Ghana, 15 cities, 30 cities, 50 cities. Car cashier at the creators, they pay high. You too come no more. Mommy educate Ghanaians. Ghana need a truck over, taxi driver, 5 pesos, 50 pesos, a toll gate. Now also, and I told the body, and I told the body, I'm a ticket and I'm woeful. Hey, who cross the toll gate and you pay for 50 pesos, and you people sitting there, people are telling you face the country, and you love it. We can use 50 pesos to face the toll gate. A Kruma toll gate into a California because we pay higher money. Yet, yes, Kakasi. In this all person Africa, bit is a Ghana face. Bawumia, I believe in that man. And now Bawumia, your mama, the other hero, and easy. Opposition is your child. And the pray. Tina Monia Bri, you to know. Papa, your mama, you man, and you know thing. Who are someone poor. Ube Chiache. Because Bawumia is serious. The man is serious. I want to see you face the country brokers. From tomorrow going, if you don't come on social media, if you don't come on social media and campaign about Bawumia message and campaign about what Dr. Bawumia was saying this night, it's late here, so I don't want to shout. From tomorrow going, none of you. No, Benyamoto. You will not be safe. Munya Amoto Minsano. The free china Komoya face the country, including Bemushe, including Katachia Frifa, Captain Smart. South Kwana Wati Onya NDC 4 station, what Jimmy or Captain Smart. Or saw the back on social media, and I'm the BM TV, and I'm the BM TV, and I Captain Smart TV, and I Smart TV. Yeah, baby, quiet. Blogging TV. Hey, can't you ashamed? Who cast O'Brien is home? O'Brien isn't here, but somebody no. We learn from those people. They have already reached there. Canada, Japan, Mabobra, Kufar Wabobra, into Pobia Sen and Yakufaro, Chomama Wabobra. We learn from them. Esiadu Ketia Wabobra. We learn from those people. Who were any by Esiadu Ketian Tebrofo. And now I see you Ketia General Secretary, Kosukua, who Jimmy, who defends the country at fortune, Jimmy Sana Babrawate. Oyeniba, Esiadu Ketia, I made the attempt on social media, so he tried to put himself in NDC. To become a leader of NDC, the man who don't speak proper English like me sitting here, he is a founder of NDC. Now when you what to work, learn this common sense. Change yourself, change your family. You people are sitting down and following those nonsense. Slim Bastard, Kevin Taylor, Mariam Wodu, Mkuto, and Jimmy Folk team no matter. Kusket, what did America how many years? Mumusa Kusket said, what Timmy be out of Fredia the Thomas Water Krogana. O me can't me Miss Abato. Say Fredia the Tom and Zulenu. Trogo, Krawatimia to be that. Kusket. Now who follows Ankasia for women? Now every year say in your form, and most of a year form, your bushing for any in your former, and you had the sanko for yachi. Wow, I wish you one man, vote one man. When you do crew voter, in Crassi, and you for and now go for a Bwakana. Ufri bota wait my best school Accra. Wait my co school Kumasi. You can go somewhere to school. Vacham. Enye na na ado abanya and can see that. It is a opportunity we make us a want to come and crada, want to come and Kumasi that and then go for through free education. You are allowed to go everywhere in Ghana to school. That is how we call the system. That is how we call it the policies. And only a friend of policies. Yeah, I'm going to school, but you're trying. We are trying. You're trying to make up of. No, I'm better, Michelle. This time I'm say fire, Sabato. That was it. Mo find some yana matem did you remember my fancham? A drew a say diatem. Quite tim did you know yet me, let him just stop cophobia. Menoka say frame want to me, may want to me, or power maramajim. May ye video up new crew no benam nukum. Who could Jimmy and son so? So who could Jimmy? Slim bastard they were waiting for. What Jimmy and so? Slim bastard were ran area Casiaba, Crasini bar, who create so celebrity for Ghana. Who create star or be program? I want in 9 minutes. One more crab now, a political program. And a who crew was champagne now. A brewery at all, Jaguaman, Uchi Ghana, what dampo a brewery. What dampo mania brewako faketesia, what take a UK one, the same thing. How them buy UK one man? Measure show a bra papa. Charlie, anyone shall buy me at the Marco Ghana. I tell you. Yes, you buy a young will you ever walk. You ever walk. Argent crater, for Bodam. Now, me drink crater, we are so bad. On kwasa sama wodi wo UK so ma hu so me ko me ba UK sin master me ba UK na ni kire ya me ba to UK wo na wo me ba no wadi nkofo ho no ma nkofo ya nanano a wo ka bi nkofo twa ntoto okufo ado so a wani age a wo criticize the program wo pa copy pass video no I tell you and this me ba video ho no mo fa me ba UK ho no na me be hu video ho no video na da ho no I would Jimmy Young, may be tiger rough. David, say win now got Chunquasia Pran. Kevin Taylor, win him no Chunquasia Prebi. What did I just say? What Fabroni baby? I would Jimmy or I want to Cassan. Now weary of Tuntumanco Betufo. Because what Jimmy Brantia was his swallow woman. One your fat. Oh, Kevin Taylor will fail be. Said ya mimi mami ya kwa wenye me mami ne me nananom nyina kwa broni omukoko ya hia mami so me de ahyi eneji se nku ekuro papa mu na wontimi nyanku pasra komi awa emaya no kura mu fefefe mem obi aka toso timi nyanku pasra ha kagana no wanko onyana mi se basa ana onyana Ghana no enya akufuado oba na Ghana mu di hia na nado ana na and now onyani bako school wontua school fees nko atimi ma kalashe school fees timi ma oni padua hye e wo Ghana ye koso pa wo pa na betua school fees eno kra ntimi sua de exam speaker ke ye babbo wachi ma ene sa dadwene ni nyina na nipa so mo sori am se Ghana den fa hin mo sori am se abroche aban na maska ekufo do maska sa school fees nko waje no cheche ma Ghana fo a enka wo baka sa aban maska sa school fees na nkura ntua no exam fee no muntua no food for free na omudi no ene abansa pam school atale ma school for abansa che school atale kan sa sika no ka wo che no e wo hand by hand wo che sa obi akwaje ne de boso me se de krum a aban timi che sika e wo tam aban che sika wo mo mu ni adwuma ye na aban mo mu 300 ne Ghana 90 cedis obi school fees o tu amro 90 cedis obi school fees na otua no amro 90 cedis you people are not smart na munya smart now do you free education e kroma free education ya kroma free education ya enso mo to abama aban no because of say aban ne dey aban wo sika bi a wotwa a wode ma ehiafo wo kroma ya which is 90 Ghana cedis 90 cedis o na aban tua ma ehiafo ene madwuma ani ba ko ama kroma ni okwaje aban sika esi amwa no atese me say wo kira do beba wa ma okwaje la bi e bo wo mo kwaje aban sika no 90 cedis omo fa ni agro because aban the che free na ekufo do atimi acha wo maame a wote Ghana bra a wote Ghana wo nua bi kura nko free education wo krom ni ko bi